You know, I gotta say, with most of the missions in this whole campaign, a lot of them are fun. They're difficult because of the, you have less health, the enemies tend to throw more grenades, and when you're like, say you go behind cover to like prone or crouch, sometimes the AI will just run at you and like peek you and just flat out start shooting you. And since you're already low on health because you went in cover, you just die. And that's like really annoying. I think the Germans mostly do that. The Japanese, they do that too. But it's mostly the Germans, I think, that tend to do that. The Germans do that, and the Japanese do the whole grenade throwing. My apologies for my cat, by the way. Ugh, she's in heat.
He's all snarled up on something.
Honestly, I feel like this should have been your first red flag right there. He's snarled up on something. I mean, at this point, they should know that the Japanese like to do booby traps, right? You'd figure. Maybe not. I don't know. Come on. Alright, good. That was close. I almost went down there. But I got it.
Can't believe they booby trap our dead.
Yeah, I believe it. But, oh, am I throwing the right things? I won't know. By the looks of it, I wasn't. But, what I was going to say was the bar in Zombies is bad. But in God damn it. But in Campaign, it's good. Just let me toss fucking nades, dude. Thank you. There we go. Yeah, I know I didn't scope in. Oh my god, you guys are fucking body blocking me to an insane fucking... And you're pushing me out of cover. You assholes. God. If I was to die, it was because of you guys doing that type of shit. Ugh. You know, I really do enjoy this campaign. It is a really well-made campaign. I think my next favorite after this one would have to be Black Ops 2. I love Black Ops 2's campaign. To be fair, Black Ops 2 was like my Call of Duty basically. It was like, it was the one that I mostly grew up on. Like I played, World at War when I was a youngster, as some oldies would say. But it really started with Black Ops 2. God damn, dude. Did that kill you? Okay, good, it did. Jeez, dude. Asshole. Oh, shit. I am so out of ammo with this gun. I need to switch to the... There we go. Oh, come on. Jeez. Okay, I have to reload. That's gonna kill me. It did not kill me. See, look, he just did it. Unless that was a fucking... one of our guys that just so happened to run there. But yeah, they literally like run right there and do that whole type of shit. And that shit was always so irritating. Still is, I'm sure. I just haven't experienced it just yet, so I don't recall it to the fullest degree. Reload, stay on the move. Flank them. Oh my god, see how many grenades? Take that, because now my bar is really out of ammo. Okay, that's my time to go. Time to move, time to move. Oh! Alright, this guy's about to fucking get murked. Watch him. He's gonna stand up and be like, I got this, guys. Watch. Bop, 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 bop. And he just gets fucking destroyed. But you know, that's good for me, because I get it now. Excuse me. I've died to that guy so many times. It's unreal how often that guy has killed me. for the next section of the mission. This is like a two-parter, I feel like, almost, with how like big of a campaign. Although I guess most of the campaigns can be considered that, or not campaigns, but missions. They're all pretty big. You guys know that if I recall, what is it called? Flamethrowers. They are not allowed anymore and are considered what is it called? Not a war crime, but they're just not acceptable anymore. Too much human suffering, something like that. Which I get that, you know. They definitely ain't easy. Like, I would hate to be set on fire like that, you know. Wow. Fuck up my aim, why don't you? Bop. And bop. And bop. And bop. Just right after trash. Get some more. That's my last 3. And bop. Time to move in. Bop. Ow. Owie. Oh, come on. Alright, good. Yeah, I get fucked. And I get a calling card. I have yet to find all of them. I could look up a tutorial to figure out where they all are, but I can't be that bothered, honestly. It's not something that I'm particularly concerned with, as it were. God, the music's so fucking good. Help him move up. I don't know where to go. I mean, I have an idea of where to go, but this part always was like fucking confusing. I just know I have to get over to the trenches and such. Like these trenches right here. Now I gotta murder tanks. There we go. It takes 2 to take one tank down. And they're terrifying because you shoot one and they immediately start aiming right towards you. Because they, you know, you get shot, you kind of have an idea where you're getting shot at. So you just aim to where that's happening. Where's that last tank? Oh, there you are. I see you. Did you move? You did, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Got him. There we go. And now that I'm done with that, I can switch back to the, oops. Almost shot in. I can switch back to the flamethrower. Owie, 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 owie. More bonsais. What was that guy thinking? Okay. No, why did I do that? Why did I do that? How'd that happen? I didn't like that. I did not like that. For some reason I just decided to try to vault the fucking branch. Which is not what I wanted to do. Ow, ow, ow. Alright, now we can keep on moving. Ow. You are taking out the airfield today. That is plan of action. You can actually kill yourself with a flamethrower because, you know, fire hurts. So if you get too low and you accidentally just burn yourself, that can seriously kill you. Alright, dude. Face that. Wow. That's pretty perfect, actually. That worked out way better than I thought it would. Another grenade. Bop! Alright, now the fun part comes when you can do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah! Yeah! Fuck him up, fuck him up. Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Okay, okay, okay. I'm getting fucked up. Alright. No, the AA bunkers are down. For those who do not know, AA means anti-air. That's what that means. Alright, awesome.
Nice work, Marines. Let's give Major Gordon the good news. He'll do whatever.
Alright, well, I just immediately got blasted. And so they started blasting. Okay. Something's got to change up. Maybe I... Okay. Something's going to have to change. Because that's clearly not working as well as I want it to. Maybe this will just work out better. Ow, fuck, dude. Come on. Catch me a fucking break. G for grenade. 4 for... Smokes. Really? Not even an indicator, just bop. Just dead like that. Alright, I guess, sure. Come on. Thank you for the ammo, buddy. Come on, come on. Come on now, come on now. Come on now. Come on, come on. Where? Come on. Oh my god. There's heroic music. Yes, the boys! Yeah, buddy. Sheesh. Oh boy. Ah, yes. Now for the Soviet side.
The fascist Reich ravages Europe like a plague. Their relentless drive into our motherland steals the lives of men, women, and children alike. The arrogance of their leaders is matched only by the brutality of the
General Heinrich Emsel,
These
commander
are
of the
darkest
German
days
forces.
of the Nazi occupation of Stalingrad.